Hey guys, welcome to my IFB102 project demonstration. For today, we're using the Raspberry Pi as a virtual web-based alarm clock. Now, to go to the Pi 2, here we have our power input, our audio output, our Wi-Fi dongle, and our GPIO pins. And at the back, we have our SD card running Raspbian OS customized by QET. Now the LED matrix is connected via the GPIO pins. To host the web-based alarm clock, we've used PHP, and to go to that, we simply just go to the directory of /var/www, which is where the website for the files for the website is hosted. And we go ls, and we see index.php right there. So we just simply go sudo nano index.php. Now we see a code written right there. Now the code uses a library to display images on the LED matrix. It converts the images pixel by pixel to the matrix. Now, not only does the alarm use a LED display to output, it also uses the audio output, which is connected via the Pi, and it outputs to a standard pair of headphones. Now let's exit out of that. Now the connection via the Pi is using SSH, so there are no wireless wide connections. But to prove that the website will be used online without any wide connections, we're going to use another computer right here, and we're going to access the web page of the Pi. Now the Pi's IP address can be found using ifconfig. And we see a bunch of numbers right here, but what we're most interested in is the WLAN 0. And we see that our internet address right there is 192.168.0.16. So what we simply do is just go to our computer, and we just simply type the website of the Pi, which is 192.168.0.16, which is right there. Now, what we've done is we've made two selections. This one right here goes up by 30-minute increments, and this is on the 24-hour format, which can be set at any time. Note that this does not use seconds, as it is impractical to do so. So for now, we'll test the Raspberry Pi and set an alarm for 0047. And what that'll do is play and output an LED and sound when it reaches that time. So we'll just wait for that right now. So it should happen in roughly 10 seconds. As you can see, the Raspberry Pi outputs LED and through the sound. Now, what we can also do is use the LED matrix display to display images or GIFs and other types of images. So what we can do is press Command 1, and right here we have GIF that plays a rotating square. We also have others, which is a pulsating color. And for a third example, we use just a grayscale color that has two shades and just flickers. And that right there is my Raspberry Pi project for IFB102. Thank you.